Hi everyone, how's it going? I just want to throw this up in here. I did you know what? I don't have to do that. I can do this for next week. Yeah. Welcome to 99 Cent Only Store haul for this week, guys. We purchased some crafting things. We got homecoming and birthdays and holidays to decorate for and do all that good stuff for. And then I didn't do, I just grabbed a couple snacks in and out, just some things I saw. Really didn't need anything. So that's why it's a small amount of just different things that I grabbed. Starting from left to right on crafts, look at these gorgeous burlap freaking bows. Absolutely gorgeous. And they had the red.
Now, Mama, when it gets dark and we wake up, is it gonna be 1 week of my birthday?
No, we gotta have 5 more days before it's 1 week. Okay. Purple here, some purple stuff going on because, like I said, we got homecoming and purple, gold, and black, or purple, yellow, and black are the colors for my son's football team. So. And then this time of year is the best time to get anything purple and black because of Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween, but they have some phenomenal stuff in the colors that I need. So really lucked out this year on that. Everything you can see here, it was 99 cents a piece. We are doing financial literacy with the boys right now with money. So this is Sean's cute little dinosaur wallet. On one of my previous videos, there should have been a football wallet and a basketball wallet. Football for SJ, and of course, basketball for Donnie for my other boys. Anyway, these were 99 cents a piece on the bows. The wallet was 99 cents a piece.
Get more.
Hold on, Donovan. Hold on. This is a 3-piece, as you can see, glitter poster board. Studio art for 99 cents for the 3 boards. Awesome buy. This is like a placemat back here. This was 99 cents. This is, oh, sorry, honey. Thank you. This is the deodorant, the Natural Essentials deodorant that one of my littles wears, but you guys know I keep it stocked because of all the boys. 99 cents there. Burlap ribbon. I tore it up just to see, tore this part up to see just like how much ribbon comes with it. Not exactly sure what all I'm going to do with that just yet, but I just thought it was a really good buy, and it was the last one there. 99 cents for that, 99 cents for these 2 rolls as well. Dish soap, you know you need that around the house. That's 99 cents. This wrap here, I've never seen like a mustard yellow colored burlap in there. It's a Party, which is a brand that the 99 cent store carries. And then the red burlap is what I'm going to throw into the Christmas decor this year. And I thought this was, you know, an interesting fair amount of roll. 99 cents a piece on those. These cute little fall leaves, 99 cents a piece. And there are 10 pieces of the fall leaves in there. And I love how they're kind of like drawn, not all cartoony, cliche like. They're, you know, pretty neutral. I just like the way they look. And then they also still have like a pop of glitter and stuff like that. Beautiful. Let's see. The Raisinets, that's food, but it was 99 cents for the Raisinets, 99 cents for the leaves. You guys know, as a crafter, double-sided tape, you can't live without it. Scotch brand, this is some serious holding heavy-duty double-sided tape. I wish there was more, like the roll itself was more, but I mean, you can't beat it because it's really good for 99 cents. This is well over $2 in a regular retail store. We came across this, whose brand is this? Cane Soda by Hansen's. Ginger ale. If there is a soda, a carbonated beverage we do have in the house, it is ginger ale. This 6 count was 99 cents. I know Hansen's is a well-known brand, so I just went ahead and grabbed those. They had the High C 8 count for 99 cents. I don't normally let the boys drink these, but I do keep snack and drinks on hand for on the go, you know, and treats and stuff like that. 99 cents a pack. You can't beat those. You can't beat that at all. The turkey chili with beans. I'm actually doing enchiladas tonight. That's what I needed the chili for the hearty enchiladas that I do. 99 cents a can. This is not the best deal, but it was there and available, so I got these giant marshmallows, Kraft brand. These are gonna run you easily $3 in a regular store. 99 cents for this bag as well. Probiotics, dairy-free, mango dairy-free probiotics, 2 for $1. These were 2 for $1 at the 99-cent store on today. This is the first time I've seen mango. Normally they have strawberry and blueberry, and we stock up, but this is just a test run. Mommy has not did her bulk shopping for this month. Like I said, I just grabbed some snacks. These smoothies, Simply Smoothies, I don't drink these by themselves, and I don't let the littles or recommend anybody drinking them by themselves because the sugar content is absolutely bananas. But when I do the smoothies and different things for the kids in the family, these were 4 for $1, and the sign said you must take 4. So I guess they're trying to get rid of these non-GMO. They're really, really sweet because it has the mango, orange, and the pineapple and apple. Those are like some of the sweetest fruit you can come across, okay? But like I said, when you have like your yogurt and your fruits and vegetables and stuff in a smoothie and then top it off with this, that's that little extra kick, that little extra sweetness that'll help the children eat it. You want to know how to get your kids to drink green juice? Add a little bit of the sweetness to it, entice them a little bit, and then there you have it. Or just the regular smoothies and stuff. I always grab some of these on the go because the Propel Waters, and then they're the ones with the spout. I love them. 99 cents a piece. These were 4 for $1. The iodized sea salt, I just keep salt on hand for everything. Cleaning, cooking, you know what I mean? And then the sea salt in this big of a container for 99 cents. You kind of can't beat it. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick 99-cent only store haul this week. As you guys can see, the kids are in the background, talking a little faster than normal. Got a lot going on. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love to hear from you guys, so make sure you leave a comment. If you enjoy these videos and my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so we don't miss each other, okay? Be good to yourself so you can be good to others. Be good to yourself. Fill your cup. Make sure your cup runs over because that is what you have available for everyone else, okay? Thank you guys so much again for watching. Until next time, ciao.